problem regarding probability which appeared in the year 1999 JEE main paper. So let's go ahead and observe the problem. So here says that we have a positive integer m and n lying between 1 to 100. So we are choosing actually these two numbers from 1 to 100, and it says that we have to find out the probability that the number of the form 7 to the power m and 7 to the power n is divisible by 5. So let's go ahead and solve this particular problem. Let's go ahead. So observe that here our number will be of the form of 7 to the power m and 7 to the power m addition of them. So therefore first we see that how the number looks like if we change the power, right? So first observe that, right? 7 to the power 1 is 7, 7 square 49, 7 cube is 343, and 7 to the power 4 is 2401. And also see that if we extend, right? So 5 is again the unit digit becomes 7 for 7 to the power 6. Unit digit 9, 3 and 8 respectively, right? For 7 to the power 7 and 7 to the power 8. And we can understand this process will continue. Now, therefore, what we understand? We understand that if the power of 7 to the power m will be in the form of 1, 5, 9, 13 and so on, right? Then we can say that the unit digit will be 7. Similarly, 2, 6, 10 and so on, 9, 3, 7, 11, 15 and so on, it's 3, 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on, it will be 1. And this phenomena is actually true holds for any kind of this kind of process. Okay, that's it. Let's go ahead. So therefore we can say that, right, that if for any positive integer k, right, which is lies starting with 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on goes to infinity, right, the unit digit of 7 to the power 4k plus 1 will be 7, 4k plus 2 will be 9, 4k plus 3 will be 3 and 4k plus 4 will be 1. That's it. Now let's go ahead. Now see that here we are looking to find out, right, that number 7 to the power m and 7 to the power n is divisible by 5. Now when a number divisible by 5, the condition is that the unit digit must be 0 or 5. So therefore here we'll try to find out, right, so here we'll try to find out the condition, right, such that, right, that 7 to the power m and 7 to the power n is divisible by 5. So hence, right, so looking for the values, right, which added up together to get it as 0 or 5. But see that here the unit digit are 7931. So therefore, right, we can't get 5 by any combinations, right? So here only possibilities of getting the unit digit of the sum as 0. How it possible? If we add, right, the numbers having unit digit 9 and 1 and 7 and 3. So therefore we can say that, right, if we add the numbers of the form 7 to the power 4k plus 1 and 4k plus 3, we get 0. If we replace it, right, that means that 4k plus 2, 4k plus 4 is 0. Okay, so that's the only two possibilities we have, right? Now also see that, right, here m and n are of the form, right, 4k plus 1, 4k plus 3, then it will be 4k plus 3, 4k plus 1. Basically for the first case, right, we just interchange the values m and n, and similarly for the next, so it will be 4k plus 2, 4k plus 4, or 4k plus 4 and 4k plus 2. So therefore we can say that there are 4 ways of selecting m and n if the k value is fixed. Now our next job is that how many k's are possible so that the number m and n lies between 1 to 100. So that's the next part. Let's go ahead, right? So here, right, if we see that for a fixed k, the maximum values of m and n will be 4k plus 4. Now as m and n are lies between 1 to 100, so we assume that, right, 4k plus 4 is less than equal to 100. So with that basic arithmetic we can say that k is less than equal to 24. See that 4k less than equal to 100 minus 4, 96, divided by 4 is 24. So therefore our k values will start from 0 and ends with 24. So there are 25 different integers are possible. So therefore k must be chosen out of this 25 integer randomly, right? So therefore 25 ways of choosing the values of k. And therefore, the total ways or different ways to compute 7 to the power m and 7 to the power n will be 4, that when k is fixed, 4 ways to choose that m and n. And when k is fixed, right, there are 25 into 25 ways to choose m and n. So therefore, this is the total number of event. Now we need to, this is the this is the total number of favorable event. Now we need to find out the total number of event. To find the total number of event, it is obvious m and n need to be chosen. Each of m and n need to be chosen in 100 ways. So therefore, total number of event will be 100 cross 100. So therefore, the required probability will be 4 into 25 cross 25 divided by 100 cross 100, which is very easy, and you can simplify it as 1 by 4. And hence, for this current problem, the correct option will be option A. And that's it. Hope you understood it.